Hello and welcome, my name is Callum from Motormatch Chester, and today I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle.
This is the Volkswagen Golf TDI BlueMotion Tech Match. It's a 2015 model and it comes with 55,700 miles on the clock from 3 previous owners. It offers a partial history, last serviced at 38,000 miles with a cam belt replacement at 41,000, and it comes finished in the tungsten silver metallic worth £540. The front and rear offers parking sensors, giving you an audible noise when a bit too close to an obstruction. It comes with a 16-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels finished in that gloss black styling. Your door mirrors offer electric adjustment as well as folding and heating. Into the boot now, plenty of space available here. You've got smaller side pockets to the left and right, the option to lift the flooring as well to reach your spare tyre, and the privacy screen up top to keep your belongings out of sight. Into the rear seating in the centre you'll find your vent controls for the fans. You've also got the tinted rear windows, and then you've also got cloth upholstery with ISOFIX mounting points and the armrest in the centre. A little bit more about the car. It comes with a 1.6 litre diesel engine offering up to 72.4 miles per gallon combined, and it is only £20 road tax annually, making it exceptionally economical to run. On the steering wheel you'll find your controls for the adaptive cruise and speed limiter, as well as on the right your media system controls and central screen adjustment. Taking a look at that screen, you can flick through your trip computer information, and you do also have some other options as well, including your audio, as well as your phone connectivity, assist systems, as well as the vehicle status. Onto the main media system now, starting off with your radio. You've got AM, FM and DAB offering stations from all across the country to choose from. You can also save them in that centre bar so they're nice and easy to access. Plenty of your own personal media inputs too, with a CD player, SD card reader, media in and Bluetooth audio. Can also use that Bluetooth for hands-free calling on the go, so you never miss any incoming calls. Under the sound settings you can go in and adjust the bass, mid and treble of the speakers so they're exactly to your liking. And you do also have the vehicle status checker, including a tyre pressure monitor. The front and rear sensors do also provide a visual inside the car so you can see where said obstructions are. This model does also offer the driving modes with the sports, normal and eco options, including individual for your own configuration. Just below you'll find the climate controls, nice and simple to use there. And taking a look down the whole centre system, storage underneath the climate there with your media in connection, DSG gear stick for smooth driving, electronic parking brake and hill hold assist. You've also got your cup holders there and plenty of storage in your armrest.
RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call now on 01244 311 404 or inquire online now. Thank you for watching and goodbye for now.